Is it really possible to have a machine automate the most complicated part of using ChatGPT? And I think that we've answered that question and have proven to you that, yes, it is possible, and we have done it. With that in mind, we were truly considering taking this directly to the mass public market and charging a hefty, monthly, recurring fee for it. When you create your account today, you'll also be securing these amazing bonuses. Bonus 1. Free access to double the built-in DFYPrompts. $297 value. This is a truly invaluable bonus that really lets you take this combo to the next level. This bonus is going to allow you to unlock an additional 15 of the hottest and most profitable DFYPrompts that we have built into our platform. This will allow you to practically double or even triple your profit by allowing you to quickly create more content at record speed at any time. It's like inserting a new disk into Neo while he's in the training machine. We could have easily sold this as a separate upgrade. Or sold them as one-time prompt packages that we add in the future. Bonus 2. Free access to double the built-in categories. $297 value. This bonus works hand in hand with our built-in DFYPrompts. We're going to be organizing all of our prompts in different categories to make it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for. We'll also be adding some of the more advanced prompts in their own categories as well. With this bonus, you'll be ensuring you get access to double the amount of categories that you would outside of this launch. Bonus 3. Free access to our agency license. $497 value. This bonus here easily packs the most potential profit in your pocket. There are human writers out there charging crazy amounts of money to write content for other people. And as I mentioned above, even big companies are now starting to pay big money to people who are prompt engineers. Can you imagine how much you can make by charging people to write content for them and having DFYPrompt plus ChatGPT do all the work for you? With this bonus, you'll have full rights to be able to use DFYPrompt for your clients' content as well. Talk about some insanely awesome bonuses, right? Yup, we have really stepped the value up on this one. You can get access to everything we just mentioned above at the crazy, discounted, one-time price you see below. Yup, 0 monthly fees. All you have to do now is choose the package that's right for you. And of course, we also have a 60-day money-back guarantee. Yup, we're so confident in how powerful and how much value DFYPrompt can provide to your business that we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. That's why we're doing a 60-day money-back guarantee. Just show us that you put DFYPrompt into action in your business, and if it doesn't simplify ChatGPT for you, we will, without hesitation, give you your money back. At this point there's not much else to say. You either want to take full advantage of Chag to get the best results or you don't. You either want to be the first to get access to this powerful technology, or you don't. You either want more traffic, more subscribers, and more profit by leveraging the true power of this ChatGPT supercharger, or you don't. You either want to pick up DFYPrompt at the best possible price and value that you will ever see it at, or you don't. However, if you do want to pick up the best and first ChatGPT supercharger to ever hit Zoo at the best price you'll ever see it at, I highly recommend picking up your copy now. Hit the discount button below. Light. Unlimited usage of all 10 built-in DFYPrompt templates. Access to all built-in categories. Bonus, massive double the prompts bonus. Bonus, massive double the categories bonus. Bonus, agency license to use for clients. Normally $77 per month. Get it now for the one-time discount you see below. DFYPrompt Personal. Most value. Pro Agency. Unlimited usage of all 25 built-in DFYPrompt templates. Access to all built-in categories. Bonus, Massive double the prompts bonus 100 additional DFY prompts unlocked. Bonus, massive double the categories bonus 10 additional categories unlocked. Bonus, agency license to use for clients. Normally $97 month. Get it now for the one-time discount you see below. Check out the link in description box and comments.